Good morning, everybody. I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Saturday morning, I think right around 10 o'clock. And our post office closes at 11:30. So we're going to go ahead and pick what items sold today, and we'll follow Kathy around and see what we sold.
All right, guys, starting with eBay, box O. I just pulled this from my desk closet 2 days ago, and it sold yesterday, so 1 day to sell. This is a Lily Pulitzer scarf. I'm pretty sure it was like a free with purchase type thing, but it still sold for $16 plus ship. I actually got this at the Goodwill outlet bins here in Colorado Springs, so I'm sure I've sold off everything else from that lot because it was probably over a year ago, so I'm considering it free. So 16 plus ship. I make probably like 14, 13 bucks off that.
And was that one of the items that you pulled out?
Not like one of the 5, but
Okay.
it was from the closet. So it technically was a death pile item. So happy to see it go. And then BD. Okay. This we just listed yesterday as well. Just a Kids Vineyard Vine button down. So this one I sold less than normal because it had some staining on the wrist. This one was actually a gift, so we have $0 into it, and it sold for $12.86 plus shipping. All right, in the box AO.
Right back here.
Right. So this is an Izod sweater. The only reason I bought this is because it was from Sweater Day at not Salvation Army, the ARC thrift store just a few days ago, and I have $1.49 into it. I only bought it because it was new with tag and it was a size 4X. So I do not normally buy Izod. I have a polo shirt in my closet from, it's been listed for 3 years and it's down to like $10 free ship and it's still not selling. So
Yeah.
I knew that would sell because of the size. 3X and above is really easy to sell stuff, any brand. That one sold for $14.95 plus shipping, so not huge, but made probably a $10 profit off that. Box T. Somewhere. Oh, this is probably it. Yeah. Normally we do the plastics, but yeah, these are some freshly picked moccasins. I've had these forever. I did get them at Once Upon a Child. The bag was our bag, like from ones that we bought from them, so I just found the bag and put the moccasins in there, but they finally sold for 15 plus ship. So those used to sell for like $30. They don't anymore. I bought them for $3, so probably about a $10 profit there. Then last eBay sale is in CS. These are some Nike soccer cleats, and these ones sold for $14.77 plus shipping. I did buy these for $3 at Salvation Army, so I've been selling, I feel like I've sold a few soccer cleats this week, so I feel like it's getting to that season. All right, and then I had one Kitizen sale in W. This is just a little vintage dress. It's not like a branded or anything, but I thought it was cute. It has a cat, books, apple, and it's corduroy, like a pinafore dress. I picked it up for $1 and it sold on Kitizen for $20 free ship. Shipping is $3.85, so not too bad. And then we had 3 Poshmark sales. These ones were pretty good ones. So box AJ. Sold another one of these polo golf shirts. The one with the big ponies have been selling best and for more money. This one sold for $48. That was an offer someone sent me and I accepted. I have about $10 into it, so pretty good. And then this is another sale to Beatrice, our viewer. She has bought
Another one?
What now, 4 or 5 pairs of shoes this week.
Beatrice, I'm going to have to cut you off soon. I don't know.
I'm a little jealous because I really love these shoes and I wish they were my size. These are those Keen, they're called the Hauser boots, I guess, Chukka boots. But to me, they're like feel like slippers on the inside. And I listed them at $60. She offered me $50. And that is our kids. They're playing downstairs, waiting for us to go get some breakfast after this. But yeah, so Beatrice offered me 50 and I definitely accepted that. I paid $12.99 for these because they were in like perfect condition. So thank you again, Beatrice.
Yes, thank you so much, Beatrice. You are way too kind, and we appreciate all the support.
And then last sale of today is AM. Alrighty, so these are some Adidas with the 510. So the 510 is more of like an outdoorsy type shoe. Like those are what the bottoms look like. When I bought these, I didn't realize they were men's. Like they were sized as men's. So I listed them twice as men's and then converted the size to women's, but they ended up selling in the men's department. So I had paid actually $14 for these at Plato's Closet. They had these priced a lot and they were on like clearance, and then I also had a coupon that brought them down to 14. Like I'd waited so long for these to go on sale because I was like, I like selling this brand, but once I realized they were men's, I was like, oh, I hope they still sell just because, I don't know. Anyways, they sold for $50. That was an offer someone sent me and I accepted. So I make 40, paid 14. So still a pretty good sale. And yeah, definitely look out for the 510 Adidas shoes.
All right, so we'll go ahead and pack this stuff up, and we'll be back in just a minute. All right, guys, we got that stuff all packed up, and we did just get this big shipment of packing paper. I think this is only the second time we've ever bought packing paper, and this time we got it from eBay, and this is a much better deal than we got from Amazon last time. So I'm gonna try to work on getting a link on that if you guys are interested in that. Plus, we got a big free box when it came in. So, but yeah, I think Kathy wanted to pick 5 more items out of the death closet.
Ones from last night, I photographed them, but I haven't listed yet, so I'll do 10 today. All right, let's see. Oh, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? I don't know why this is so hard for me. All right, I'm gonna do this t-shirt, these pants, and this little sweatshirt. I'm trying to pick some adult items because those are all kid items. There was like a bathing suit I wanted to list, but I don't know where it is. Alright, let's just pick. Oh my goodness. This is harder than it looks, guys. Oh, there's the bathing suit. So this is only in the death pile because I do not know how to photograph these bathing suits because, like, I don't know. So, I'll figure that out. But, so this is a Bowden bathing suit. Size US 16-18. I'm gonna do this Peak Kids t-shirt, and these are some hazel blue jogger pants, a little whistle and flute back sweatshirt, and then this is a liquid blue tag vintage. I'm pretty sure it's vintage, made in the USA. Like a Lion King shirt. I did notice a flaw in this the first time I went to photograph it, which is why I put it in the closet. It looks like it might have been like had a hole and somebody fixed it. But also I just didn't know how to price this because I don't know. I know some vintage tees go for a lot, especially like Disney, but I don't know how vintage this is or even if it's vintage. It doesn't have a date on it.
It doesn't look like it's single stitch.
No,
so.
But like I know this tag is like, I don't know, I made in the USA. So when I looked it up, I didn't see anything like it. That's why I hadn't photographed it, but
Maybe we'll just have to list it as, and not list it as vintage or something.
yeah, I don't know.
Or old.
It was a cool, it's a cool shirt.
It is cool.
So we'll get those up this weekend, and yeah,
Yeah.
hopefully.
I think I'm gonna try to get 5 of my little, that's my pile right there. Everything else is Kathy's. That's my pile. I might try to get 5 things up today. It's kind of going to be a little bit of a slower day. Both the kids are home. We want to do stuff with the kids today. Slower as far as work goes. So we're just trying to not put too much work on us for today. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to go ahead and take this stuff to the post office, and we will see you in the next one.